Okay guys, we're here at my sister's. Good morning. Thought I'd bring you guys out here for today. Show you what I'm doing. We got all this stuff to clean up. All our lawnmowers. Come on, do some mod work for her. Get away from the silly man crap of every day. Gotta get a little fire going. Got some scrapping to do. Gotta get this all burnt. We got chickens. I'll bring you guys out and show you the chickens. Chickens are cool. There's one. See him? That's a little pigeon chicken, I call him. There's your little pigeon with a chicken head. Say, Mr. Rooster. Say, Mr. Rooster, how you doing, Mr. Rooster? Good morning. Good morning, guys. What's up? You're not gonna talk? No? How about you, big buddy? No? Nothing to say? Nothing to say this morning, guys? Any other time you're screaming. No talking today? Being all quiet? Okay, well, be quiet. Hey, there you go. Yeah, tell them. Say, what's up? So we got some stuff. We got to organize all these bed rail things, and now they're talking. Got some holes filling out here. I told her to come out and help her out and chill out for the day. I wanted to show you guys the dog. He loves to chew on his lawnmower wheels. He just hates lawnmowers. I mean, hates them. I'll go back in the back. He's building his house. I was probably going to show you guys. My brother-in-law is building this. He's built this so far, all this. It's gorgeous inside. It's 3-4 bedrooms. All shake. It's an awesome house. It used to be a modular home. We tore it all down, took the frame, and rebuilt all this. It's really nice. Say hi. Hi, champ. He's a dog who don't like wheels. See ya. Yeah, you don't like wheels, do you? You don't like lawnmowers. We'll show you guys later. We got the porch built in. Gotta watch the music because the music's playing. He's got the radio going. Well, I hope I can get past that without it being on copyrighted. Let's see. You got a back porch. I gotta fill this hole in for her. There's drainage for his basement. But he's got it all going up the inside. Maybe I can get you guys inside later. Show you the freaking fireplace and everything. You got a porch room there. That's a bedroom, I think. But I'll take you guys inside later, and I gotta trim all this with the weed eater. We're going to do a little metal scrapping and go on the trailers, but she had to run and do some odd stuff, so I figured I'd get this stuff done, have some fun today. Been like 90 degrees every day here. Everybody else is getting the heat too, you guys know. Finally cooled down. It's like 65 today, 70. Awesome day. Can't beat it. But they got a huge thing. I mean, this is the other one he built. He built all this too. That's where they live up there now. So this one here is done. But let me get some work done. I'll show you guys some more later. Okay guys, back here at my sister's again. Doing a little scrapping. Me, Chris and Holly would be proud. I forgot my camera in the car. So I had to go get it. So I didn't get to film what's loading the car or the truck. But I'll show you guys. I know Chris and Holly appreciate it, especially Chris. I wanted to show you guys the dog, but I don't know where the lawnmower went. Where'd he loves to eat the wheel while you're moving it. He hates lawnmowers. I mean, royally. Well, here's some. I'll show you. We cleaned all the yard up. She's been My brother-in-law is a hoarder. He collects everything and anything. He hates throwing stuff away. But as you see, my sister said, nope, it's going. We want the yard back. That was all taking up all this space. We got to put the fireplace and the fan, hot water tank in here yet. A couple buckets that weigh like 3,000 pounds. I'm waiting for him to come out so we can. We burned everything yesterday. Got rid of all that. Cleaned up all the leaves, raked. Now we're scrapping all this here to the junk scrap yard. What do you think, Chris? Not bad, huh? A little bit of everything. Even got some copper and aluminum in there for him. I helped him sort all that out so he can get that going. As you see, he's got like 5 lawnmowers. He collects anything and everything. There's a long riding lawnmower, there's a rider lawnmower, riding lawnmower, riding lawnmower. That's a leaf blower, leaf pickup underneath there. Rototiller, snow blower. There's a doggy. Hey Shep, where's the lawnmower? Where's the lawnmower, Shep? You gonna chew on them tires? You wanna chew on them tires? Where's she?
You know all those people? Yeah, you know all those people, why they were at the court? Because it was that guy that they kept him invited and wanted to get 2 people away.
I don't know what she did with the lawnmower. Oh, it's out here she put it. She slipped out there already. He just hates lawnmower wheels. I mean, he despises them. I thought I'd show you guys what was up and get you guys some view what we're doing for the day. Here's one of my new signs, my new color. I'll be putting that up later. It's a new Florida color.
Yeah, 2 people, a girl or a lady and her daughter.
Sorry, need something to drink. But as you see, Santa's still out. He's got Christmas lights up still. But he's got a nice garden. American flag. Working on this house. Getting it all done. I just thought I'd show you guys a quick view of what we were doing today. I'm gonna have some videos up tomorrow. I got my grandson coming over this weekend, so we're gonna have a cookout, so I'll have another video up then. On Saturday or Sunday. There's the lawnmower he just flips out on. Thinking about taking it and fixing it. I don't know what's wrong with it yet, but I'm good at rebuilding them. It's Craftsman, so I hate to just see it go to the garbage. A lot of times it's just something simple, like Chris said, just clean the plug and change oil and gas, and you got a brand new lawnmower. Shep's already looking for it. He's like, where'd my lawnmower go? I took my lawnmower. But I figured you guys would be, Chris, Holly, you guys would be definitely, you're like the one big scrapper I know. I watch Dopper, but he's a small time scrapper. He likes you guys too. But I'll probably put up, get a picture here of this, it'll be my thing. I always forget to get B-roll footage. That's my biggest problem. I always forget the B-roll. So I'm going to try to get some B-roll here real quick, and then I'll put that up and use it for my quick bait. But see you guys later. We'll see what's up. I'll get you guys some more. If we go to the scrapyard, I'll take you guys with me later. Yep, just decided to go nuts on the lawnmower, so I thought I'd get you guys. See, he hates them lawnmowers. He just terrorizes them wheels. It's just like, he hates lawnmower wheels. No matter running or not, look at that. He just don't care. He hates lawnmowers. And it ain't like he really even hates a lawnmower, just the wheel. You think when he started that would give him enough to... I mean, he just hates lawnmower wheels. You got something against wheels. Look at there, Shop. You get it? You get no? He's not gonna get you. He's not gonna get you. He's not. Look, he's okay. Look at that. He just terrorized that thing. He hates them wheels. I don't get it. Look at that. And it don't matter. I mean, he'd get run over by it if you let. Look at that. He'd just tear that wheel apart. Look at that, he's dragging it. Get it, Chop. Like he hates lawnmowers. He just hates those. And he's been around them the whole time. They got like freaking 20 acres that they mow. Look at this. He's just terrorizing it. Like, he hates lawnmowers. What, Chap? What is it? He just does not want it, like, he does not want that thing to move at all. Like what, Chap? What is it? He's like, where are you plan on taking it? Where are you going to take it? Where are you taking it? I never seen a dog that hates wheels that much. I mean, even running, he don't even care. He'll still attack it. He's like, all right, fine. Give me a minute. What's the matter, Jeff? Come here. Come here, Jeff. There's a guy who jumped it in. We gotta plug him on YouTube. He don't like YouTube.
Where's my phone?
We sold it. We scrapped it. Oh, all right, later.